Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's video, inshallah Azza wa Jal will learn about Surah Al-Alaq. It's a Makki surah, ayahs are 19, and there is only one section in the surah. Let's read after me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The first word in the surah has a letter of qalqala, which is qaf, and the letter will be prominent here. And this is Hamza Sakina, so we have to read with a sudden pause and jerk sound. So let's follow me. Iqra. Yeah, say again. Iqra. Good. Bismi Rabbikal Press the ba as it's a qalqala letter. So we read with the stress. Khalaq. Qafil becomes sakin here when we pause. So we need to do qalqala as we do here in the beginning. Khalaq. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق. Will stretch the because of ya madda. As there is a ya sakina before that there is a zero or kasra. So we'll stretch that for 1 second. Let's read next. خلق الإنسان من علق. So letters, some of the letters are heavy here, so we have to read them in a heavy sound. And this is ikhfa, so we have to take the sound into our nose. Iqra, same like this one. Warabbukal akram. This kaf is a light one, so say akram. Good. Alladhi. You need to put a fatha here. So whenever it's starting with the word starting with the hamza wasli or and lam, so we need to put a zubar or fatha in the beginning. It is alladhi allama bil qalam. Good. علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. Let's read together. علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. Good. كلا. You can see we are putting a slight pause on the lam because lam is having a tashdid sign. This W sign is called Tashdid. So we need to read with a slight pause. And we need to stretch the lam as well because of a mud sign as well as alif madda. So we need to stretch this one. Kalla. Like that. Innal. So we'll take the sound into our nose because nose is having a tashdid sign on the top. Insana. Good. La yatgha. So ta is a qalqala letter. We need to bounce back here. La yatgha. Let's read next. Ar-ra'ahus. So Hamza will join with the ra. We need to skip the noon because noon is having a jazm sign on the top, a sukoon sign, and ra is having a tashdid sign. So rule is this: when these letters and signs are together, so we skip the second letter, which is noon here. We join Hamza with the ra. Ar-ra'ahus. Taghna. So Ghain is a heavy letter. We need to take the sound heavy. So taghna, like that. Ar-ra'ahu istaghna. So this is enough for today's video. Surah Al-Alaq, ayah number 1 till ayah number 7. Practice these ones. We'll see you in the next video, inshallah.